Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about the Internet of Things and data privacy. The Internet of Things are objects that you have in your home or in your car that have typically IP addresses and have connectivity to the Internet. So a lot of times when we're talking to people, you're asking about what type of devices they have. They say, I have a cell phone, I have a tablet, I have a laptop. What they're not saying, or what they typically forget to say, is that I also may have a smart thermostat, a video doorbell, a speaker in your house, or even a smart TV that is listening possibly to your conversations and tracking the information about you. The Internet of Things has been a very interesting modern convenience. People really like the capabilities of these tools. However, the Internet of Things types of devices bring all types of illegal privacy and cybersecurity issues that people may not be aware of. Things like a smart doorbell that could possibly be hacked by someone who's trying to do cybercrime, or a speaker where someone can log in and actually listen to your conversations. Those are the types of privacy risks that people can have if these Internet of Things applications are not properly secured. Also, with things like smart TVs or listening speakers, they are listening practically all the time. So I know a lot of times when you're using a smart speaker or a smart TV, you may think it's only listening when you call it or you say whatever keyword there is that activates it to do a particular action. But actually a lot of this recording is ongoing, regardless of whether you're talking to the TV or not. One example or one concern that has come up recently, especially with people working from home, some companies have told people that they should not be having confidential business conversations in rooms with smart speakers because these speakers or the conversations that you're having are typically recorded. Sometimes it is recorded for purposes to improve the product, but because there are, depending on where these recordings are happening or what company or what country the person is in, they may not have strong laws about what happens to that data, how it's retained, who can listen to it, and what's done with that information. So again, smart devices are really interesting. I really like that they're emerging in terms of technology and people have access to them, but you have to consider the cybersecurity and also the privacy concerns around it. So being smart about that, getting people who can help you with understanding the cyber risk, maybe putting passwords on things as opposed to default passwords, making sure maybe you have firewalls in place to protect not only your devices that you use in your home, like your phone or your laptop or your tablet, but also your thermostat, maybe a refrigerator that orders milk for you when you're out. Those types of things have to be considerations as well when you're dealing with Internet of Things devices. Thank you.